my name is Paulina and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Peppy Pals. At Peppy Pals we go beyond ABC and 1 to 3 and teach children 2 to 8 about social and emotional skills. We use a research-based method and gender-neutral characters that kids can relate to. It's a fun and easy way for kids to explore and learn about empathy, emotions, collaboration, and really the essential skills for the future. In the app we have books, TV series, and games that explore different situations that kids can relate back to real life. And we also guide parents by simple words showing what each and every scenario is based on. So this one, for instance, is about including everyone, but we also have about mishaps, we have about being brave, and if you enter a scenario, you'll also have questions to discuss and a guide for parents. So for instance, how do you think Reggie feels before jumping? Is Reggie afraid, sad, scared, or angry? And as you play through the scenario, you can jump to different questions.